Does anyone know why this 2004 Cavalier real rough idle? Just replaced the fuel filter, it didn't work. See from back here. Smells like rotten eggs for sure. So I'm thinking the cab might be plugged, but as long as you bring it up past idle, it idles fine. See? It's idling fine. Drop it past idle. Barely runs, you know, lights flicker. So, if anyone has an idea what that is, anyone. SMBs is pretty good with that, but let me know. Oh, motor stuff. I tried pulling the O2 sensor off the air. That didn't work. But I don't know where the O2 sensor is for the spark plugs or whatever. If you guys know anything about it, let me know, please. Please. Thanks.